Welcome to my channel Easy School Math, and in today's tutorial I am going to show you how to make a three-dimensional pyramid using an A4 sheet. So I have taken an A4 sheet. So I am going to draw first a line of centimeters, 10 centimeter. Okay. So I've taken a line 10 centimeters now over here. Okay. Now in a three-dimensional pyramid, it will be having four sides. So first, I'm going to take 60 degrees in my using a protractor. So I've taken 60 degrees in this side, and all other side also I've taken 60 degrees. So I've taken both sides 60 degrees. So I'm going to join both sides. So I've got an equilateral triangle. The first equilateral triangle. First, then check whether it's an equilateral triangle or not. All the sides I've got as 10 centimeters. Next, I'm going to construct three more equilateral triangles. See, I'm going to construct. I'm going to construct the second triangle, taking 60 degrees over here. This side and over here 60 degrees. So if there are any extras, please erase it. Now to construct the third one, just join these 2 points. We'll get a third triangle. See, this one 60 degrees over here, 60 degrees over here, right now over here. Now we are going to do the construct a fourth triangle. To construct a fourth triangle, keep it over here. Fourth one 60 degrees. And join the end points. And if there is anything, so you should get a triangle with 4 triangles inside like this. Okay, now take your scissors and I'm going to cut it. So take out end point. So I've got a shape like this. Take sellotape. Glue it. So glue on all the sides. That's it. A three-dimensional pyramid is ready. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.